Hello guys. Yesterday morning, I told you guys that if I would cross my challenge yesterday, I would come here today and I would be happy. I would talk about what I did and all that. Oh, okay. Well, I have not crossed the challenge yet. Yeah, but I am this close to crossing the challenge. Yeah, I really really wanted to cross that challenge yesterday so that my funded account would start counting the days, the trading days start counting by maybe Monday or whenever they give me the account, which should be tomorrow, today. Yeah, today between today and Monday. Yeah, but it's all good. I really, God really saw my heart. I really, really struggled because the first trade I took was on gold, and gold was on this channel which looks really, really promising, and I bought it. But as usual now, gold and stop hunts are 5 and 6. If you're a gold trader, then you should be used to stop hunts. Yeah, and if there's a way to maneuver that stop hunt, you really, really enjoy trading gold. But unfortunately, the first trade I took yesterday, my account was at 50-50. Now I showed you guys $50 in profit. That was 1%. And the first trade for that morning was a loss. It was very, very painful. So my account dropped to 4999. Yeah, so roughly 5,000. And that was 0% back in my account after I just finished filming that I had 1%. But I wasn't discouraged. I looked at other opportunities and I was able to get one on Nasdaq, and I took it at almost the same time I took gold. So while gold failed me, Nasdaq really really excelled. As in, Nasdaq flew to my take profit like with speed, and although I closed out at 1 to 2, if I had not closed out, I would have been able to harvest a 1 to 4 return on investment, and that 4% would have crossed my challenge. But just like I always say, you have to take what you can. You have to take the one you can from the market. Yeah, because if I had left my TP open, I would have crossed my challenge yesterday because Nasdaq went straight to 4-5% before retracing. But I just took 2% out of the market, which is still okay. Yeah, but while I was at that, gold after doing the stop hunt came back into the channel, and I knew that this is the time that it would go up. Yeah, looking from the other time frames, the daily, the weekly, I just felt that this will go up now. So I entered again for another buy on gold. It takes some guts to do that, but I entered another gold again on buy. I entered another buy again on gold, and this time, guess what? It just went hassle free upwards, and yeah, I was very close. It was very close to hitting my target. If I had got my 1 to 2 on gold yesterday, I would have crossed my challenge. Yeah, but right now I am just sitting at 3.3 something percent, and which I think is a huge progress. I was at 1% in the morning yesterday, and at the close of yesterday, Friday, I am at 3.3%. Very, very close to the take profit target. And now, right now, all I need is $35 to cross my challenge. Yeah, I remember I'm risking 1%, which is $50. So all I need is $35. If on Monday I can get $35, I will cross my challenge, my phase 2 FundedNext challenge. So guys, please pray for me. I'm really, really tense. I can't wait. Actually, that's what I should use. But I'm going to be very strategic about this. I don't want to just go into any trade and get and go into loss and just lose everything back again. So I'm going to be very, very strategic about this. I really, really want to cross this challenge on Monday, and so help me God. All right, let's go into the chat so I can show you some of these things that I've been talking about. All right, guys. So as I was saying, I took only 2 trades yesterday. Yeah, and the first one was gold, and this is it here. So you can see that it stopped me out just around my stop loss and then reversed back to my direction. So this is just classic stop hunt, because if you look at what I've analyzed from the larger time frame, this is daily, and you can see that it's in this clear ascending channel. And even in this ascending channel, there's another ascending channel. Yeah, so as you can see, it's rising, and it has made this touch here, one, second touch here, two, and third touch here. Meanwhile, at the top, it has made this 1 and 2 touches. Yeah, so it's clearly ascending, and Let me see. Let me expand this a bit. Okay, so here on the fourth touch, I expect that it will continue to rise because, of course, gold is bullish, and I wouldn't want to be selling gold anyway. So yeah, on 4 hours, it looked like that not change direction back upwards. But if you go to a lower time frame, you will find out that there was a good reason to buy right here because we already had rejection of this channel right here, and it already made this impulsive move upwards, which showed us the bullish intention to the upside. Unfortunately, it's just gold. Gold does this a lot. If you are a gold trader, then you understand that stop hunt is part of the game here. Yeah, so it stop hunted us, and I see held my bullish bias, even though some people would say it's a break of channel support here. Some people say it's a break of channel support here. So on retest, they continue downwards, but it's not always like that because the powers that be are watching these chats with you, so they just want to mess you up in every way they can. So even with the stop hunt here, I was still bullish, and when it gave another signal right here for a buy, I went in. The only bad thing is that the stop loss would now be a little broader than the previous one because I really wanted to cover these lows to prevent any form of heartache. Yeah, so the bullish intention was correct. My bullish direction was correct, and you can see that it made that bullish move to the upside. Yeah, so that's it for gold. I was able to just get 1 to 1.66 from this trade, which is actually not bad. But if it had just made a little more bullish move, I would have crossed my challenge and be a lot happier. So that's for gold. Let me go into the second one for that yesterday, which is Nasdaq. And yeah. All right, so this is what I saw on Nasdaq. If you go to the higher time frame, you would see that it's on a just like gold on a broader ascending trend line, I mean channel. And on 4 hours, um maybe not so clear, but we just come off this strong resistance support line, this strong structure, and you can see the bullish intention with this strong pin bar, very very strong pin bar, signaling that the buyers want to continue this bullish move. Yeah, and that was what got me interested in this market. And on the 15 minutes time frame, if you're on 1 hour time frame, still you still see the ascending trend line, and you can see this is at the third bounce of the trend line. Yeah, so here's 15 minutes, and this was around 8 a.m. Yesterday. So I entered again. I entered this based off my analysis, and you can see it was truly correct. And this is what I was saying. I was able to get only 2% when I could have gotten four. Yeah, four. I could have gotten four and just really crossed my challenge. But these things, forex is just like this. You can't predict what will happen. You can just take as much as you can from the market. And that was how my trading yesterday went. I'm really, really happy with my results. I'm really happy with everything. This week in general has been positive for me. Yeah, even though it was here and there at the beginning, but it ended up being a positive week for me. Okay, so let me quickly show you my FundedNext account before we call it a wrap. So, guys, this is my FundedNext account, and if you look straight down here, you would see that I am 3.32% up, and this is phase 2 5K account. Yeah, I just need less than 1% to cross this challenge. So basically, I only need $35 to cross this challenge, and this is 7 trading days now, which is not bad. I think my phase 1 challenge I had up to 14 or 15, no, up to 13 trading days. So 7 trading days is not bad. I could have crossed this. I know I've said this many times. I could have crossed this on Monday or Tuesday, but and that would have been 4 days, maybe 3 4 days. Yeah, so but 7 days is not bad, and that's it. Let's see. Okay, yeah, profit target as usual is 200, and you can say I have 165, so just 35 to cross this. Okay, let's see my equity curve. Nothing much to see here. This is just some statistics about my account. Yeah, and this is the equity curve. So you can see, I think I showed this yesterday, and you saw this movement downwards, and then I said I didn't want to see that move down again, and then thankfully for me, it kept on rising, and this is where I am as at now. Yeah, I came pretty close to crossing. You see, this is 5,200. I came pretty close, but then I had to settle for 5165. Yeah, so that's it. Hopefully, I cross this challenge on Monday, and I'm going to release another video, you know, telling you. I think I've practically said almost everything I did to cross this challenge. Patience is very important, and you would definitely cross it. All right, guys. So thank you for following me on my journey. I really hope this challenge account journey comes to an end on Monday. Yeah, so we can jubilate together. Yes. So if you have anybody that you would like to learn from what I'm doing, just share my channel with them. You can follow me, subscribe, and see what I do. This is not the only challenge account I would be filming. I'll be going for more challenge accounts in the future. Looking to get funded up to $300,000. So definitely there are more challenges to come, and if you benefit from following me on time, so you can learn how I do it. You don't have money is not an excuse, because I literally got this challenge account for only $32, and starting imagine investing $30 and then getting returns, and then going for the higher investment, getting returns, and you keep on climbing like that until you get to the highest part of this system. All right, see you guys later. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.